Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to continue with the surface area, but this time we're going to focus on cylinders and pyramids, okay? And then I have this cylinder right here. I put the chart again just as a reminder for you guys to go through the 3D solids and then the formulas here for you. So we are looking at only surface area for the purpose of this video. We're going to finish off the surface area, and then we're going to next video we're going to deal with the volume for all of them. All right. The first thing is that I decided to start with the square pyramid. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let's go through with the square pyramid. So the formula for 2bs plus b squared, and if you look at this diagram right here, you notice that the diagram, the base b is your base, the basically the square sides here is b, and then the s is a slanted height. That's what that is, okay? And basically, the formula is 2bs plus b squared. Now, b squared is the area of the square in the base, and then the 2bs is the total area of the 4 triangles that you will see, okay? And that becomes 2bs. And there is a Pythagorean part of that, a Pythagorean theorem that actually comes to play to calculate to 2bs. And remember, there are 4 triangles. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do this. I've got this question thanks to Mr. Duncan again. And we're going to go ahead and plug numbers in. So SA is 2 times base is 4, and that's centimeters, times the slanted height 6 centimeters, plus 4 squared, 4 centimeters squared. You just do the math, and that's it. Okay, and then when you plug numbers in, you'll get 48 centimeters squared plus 16 centimeters squared, and then to put them together, you get 64 centimeters squared. This is only the surface area of this square pyramid. We haven't done the volume. The volume is actually quite simple. It's basically the area of the base times the height, except that for a pyramid, because it's not actually considered to be a prism, it's actually 1/3 of the area of cubed. Actually, that's what that is. Okay, so or a rectangular prism. So we're not going to do that right now. We're going to do that in next video. So the next one we are going to focus on cylinder. And just go back to the formula again. Here we go. This is I just want to make sure this is the surface area formula for the cylinder, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. All right, so let's make sure that we know what that is. So here we go. Actually, let's go back up more. Here we go. SA equals to 2 pi r squared, the area of the 2 circles, top and bottom, and then 2 pi RH. And that's what we have right here, 2 pi RH. Okay, just want to double check. All right, so here, well, we just have to realize that this is your height, this is the radius for this the circle at the bottom. So just plug numbers in. 2 times pi times 2 centimeters squared plus 2 times pi times 2 centimeters times 5 centimeters. Okay, and then you just take out your calculators and do the math. You can leave your answers in exact, so you don't have to actually do the calculation for pi, but if you do want to, leave it to 3/4 decimal places. So when you do the math, you plug numbers in, you'll get, first one, you'll get 8 pi centimeters squared plus 20 pi centimeters squared, and then you put them together. 20 pi plus 8 pi is 28 pi centimeters squared. I did not do the calculations of the pi. I just let it be in terms of the exact value, but you just say 28 times pi, use the pi key in your calculator, and you can come up with a decimal expansion of the answer. And basically that is it. Okay, that's how you get the surface area of a cylinder. All right, so we got the surface area of a cylinder done. We got the surface area of this square pyramid done. So the next section we're going to end up dealing with all the volumes of the 3D objects.